There's one mistake I've seen a number of persons make and still making that's stopping them from landing Web3 job. Yes, I know mistakes are bound to happen and they are necessary for growth, but believe me, this one is not worth it at all because it will impede your speed of growth, and when you're not becoming profitable in any nearest future, you'll become frustrated. Look, if there's one piece of advice I could give anyone, it would be to focus more on reaching out to project managers than building your socials. Sounds basic, right? That's my point. You're so busy building your socials that you don't pitch project managers. You don't look out for problems to solve that you can capitalize on to land Web3 jobs. But take a look at this here. Do you know what this result could achieve for him? You don't? Let me tell you. With this result, he would land more jobs and get the experience he needs in the Web3 space. And beyond this, he will have relatable contents to share on his socials, which will attract more people to him. Think about it for a minute. Do you see a pattern there? This is what took me almost $120 to learn how to properly pitch any prospect or client. That's how serious it is. And I'll be doing a hands-on implementation of this in the next Job Hunt challenge. In this challenge, I would compile every instructions and corrections to any pre-pitched strategy, and all these would be available so that you would understand and spot your errors while making successful pitches. So click on the link in the description of this video to have access to this challenge.